Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Go to Your Home Vlogs. The first thing I would like to introduce you is that I'm a graphic designer from Myanmar. In this channel, I will tell you what I have learned about graphic design, travel, and other knowledge. In this video, I want to tell you the sad news. Yesterday, I found out that the YouTuber of the Graphic Island channel died about 6 months ago. He is kind and very friendly. It is a bit loss for those who are doing self-study on YouTube. What is written on the Facebook page is that the guest bike line passed while cooking. I hope his old video will continue on the Graphic Iceland channel. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Rest in peace, brother Abul Monsur Laskar.